All right. On the third floor here at the State Capitol Museum in downtown Phoenix, we have just left the House chambers there in the far wing, and now we are moving. We moved across the hall now to the Justices' chambers, what used to be in 1912 or so the Justices' chamber and Chief Justice chamber. Okay, and so let's look inside. You would think, and I'd be one to support you, that there's very little then in Arizona history as far as courts are concerned that would be of interest to the country. But I think you'd be wrong, because here we go. You got some things there from justices past here in Arizona. But Arizona has been significant in a number of things that have been done in the courts here, or not done in the courts here, that have played a role in all of the United States. I bet you didn't know that the Miranda Act was here. The Miranda, I don't know, Miranda law or something like that. But yeah, before you're arrested, police have to read you your rights. And it all stemmed from an arrest of an Ernest Miranda here in Phoenix. Okay, and yeah, so 1965, yeah, it began here in Arizona with the rights have to be read to someone who's being arrested. Okay. Okay. The room, the space, and also you have probably, well, the most famous former justice here in Arizona, Sandra Day O'Connor. Okay. She served on the U.S. Supreme Court from '81 to 2006. She retired actually for justices prematurely to tend to her husband, who was suffering and from Alzheimer's, and she left the court for him. This is a robe she wore here in Arizona as a Chief Justice here. And there is the phone from her office, probably here in Phoenix, where she received the call from President Reagan, who asked her to become the first woman justice to sit on the United States Supreme Court. Okay? So you may not think there's much law in Arizona to come out of Arizona courts, except for DUI offenses, but hey, there have been some things here that have had national significance throughout the country.